Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 2. How are you? We study unit 2 lesson 5 sentences and writing. Here is the exercise A is circle the name of the place where you live, underline where Tariqs live. So here is the map of Pakistan. You have to underline where the Tariq live. What is the city of Tariq? We have studied about where Tariq live, so you must remember that. Okay, I am showing you map of Pakistan. Here you will know the names of different cities and you have to underline where the Tariq lived. Can you see city where Tariq lives? Tariq lives in Lahore. Here is Lahore. See, I have underlined Lahore. Next to the Lahore, can you read what is written? Here is written Islamabad. Do you know that Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan? And here is Karachi, and this is Quetta. You can see 4 provinces. One, two, three, 4. This is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is Punjab. This is Balochistan. This is Sindh. Karachi is the capital city of Sindh. Quetta is capital city of Balochistan. Peshawar is capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And Islamabad, Lahore is the capital city of Punjab. And Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Students, you can see the map of Pakistan. There are all provinces and cities of Pakistan. I will show you the Punjab province. This is Punjab province. Can you find out the name of Punjab? Punjab. Here is Punjab. Here is the name of Punjab. 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 Now let's find out the Lahore city. Here is Lahore. Lahore. You can read the spelling Lahore. Can you see that black dot? It is because Lahore is the capital of Punjab. Let's find out Islamabad. Here is the Islamabad. Can you see little square over there? Yes, it's because Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. And here is province NWFP, Northwest Frontier Province. There is also, it is called Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is Peshawar. And here is Balochistan. Balochistan. The capital of Balochistan is Quetta. And here is Sindh. The capital city of Sindh is Karachi. Can you find out our Nashero Feroz? Let's see. Oh, here is Nashero Feroz. Here is Dadu. Oh, Nawab Shah. These all are cities of Sindh. Now let's read the names of cities in Balochistan. This is Kalat, Kharan, Panjgur, Khuzdar, Jhalmagsi, Nasirabad. Now cities of Punjab: Muzaffargarh, Dera Ghazi Khan, Rahim Yar Khan, Multan, Khanewal, Sadqabad, Faisalabad. Now in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, here are the cities of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa: Bannu, Wana, Lakhi Marwat, Dera Ismail Khan, Charasada, Malakand, Mardan. So children, can you see that all the names of cities start with capital letters? It means capital N, capital D, capital K. It means when we write any special name, we start with capital letter. See, I have written some example. This is country. There are lots of countries in this world, but when we talk about an special country, we will start with P, capital P. We are talking about Pakistan. Pakistan is our country. We will write with capital P. No matter where we are writing word Pakistan, we always write with capital P. No matter at the middle of sentence, at the end of sentence. But when we start any sentence, we always start with capital letters also. We will talk about cities. There are so many cities, but we are talking about Nowshera Feroz. We will start with capital N. Wherever we write Nowshera Feroz, we will write with capital N. Boy, there are so many boys, but the name of boy is Ali. So it is a special name, particular name. So we will write this capital A. Girl, there are many girls when we talk, but we are talking about Sarah, Ali, Fiza. Students, Ali, Sarah, Fiza are names of people. We must start with capital letters. Like this, names of countries and cities and schools, we must start with capital letters. Whenever you write any special name, any country's name, any city's name, any person's name, at the middle of sentence, at the end of sentence, or at the starting, you must have to write these names with capital letters. So dear children, there are two types of noun, a common noun and a proper noun. As you know that everything is noun, any place, any person's name is noun, but there are two kinds of noun, proper noun and common noun. Common noun is a common thing. There must be many kinds of same thing. Proper noun is the name of any special thing, any particular thing, any special thing. Like I told you, country, there are so many country is a common noun. Pakistan, there is only one country in Pakistan with the name of Pakistan. Pakistan is our country, it is a proper noun. There are so many girls, girl is a common noun, but Sarah is a proper noun. There are so many trees, tree is a common noun, and neem tree is a proper noun. There are so many balls, ball is a common noun, and football is a proper noun. Now focus on this column. Write the names of people and places in your notebook. Begin each with a capital letter. Example, Sarah. Sarah, look, Sarah is starting with capital letter. Kite, Kite, there are so many kites. Sara, you have to make a sequence like Sara. String, it's string. You can make a string is not proper. It's common noun. Now here is Islamabad. What is Islamabad? Islamabad is the capital city of our country, and Islamabad is a big city, and Islamabad must start with capital letter because it is a proper noun. London. London is the big city of the world. It is also a proper noun. You have to start with L, capital L. Pakistan. Pakistan start with capital P. Tariq. Tariq is a boy. It is also a name. It is start with capital T. Door. There are so many doors. Door is a common noun. Ali is a proper noun. Start with capital A. Tree. Tree is a common noun. House is also common noun. Ball is a common noun. Rahman is the name of any Rahman is the name, and it is a proper noun. Fizza start with capital F. Roof is common noun. Karachi is a proper noun, and it start with capital K. Lahore start with capital L also. Okay. Now you have to do exercise by yourself. It is your homework. To do this exercise, write the name of cities, places, special places starting with capital letters. So students, come to the exercise C. Help Tariq to fill in this form. He has done some of it. Tariq is going to fill a form. Here is the form given in column. And so, what do you see? There is written a name. It means Tariq has to write his name. Tariq has wrote his name. His name starts with capital T. Teacher's name, Mrs. Hussain. Now, let's focus. Mrs. Hussain, Mrs. is starting also with capital M, and Hussain start with capital H. Class 2. Why it's class 2? Here is the capital C because it's starting of the sentence. Lahore primary school. Look how is name written. Lahore primary school. When we talk about any particular place, any proper noun, we start with capital letters like primary is also, and S is because we have to prominent the name of the school. We have to make all the start with all the capital letters because we have to show our names. Because we have to show that it is the school's name or it's any special name. City is Lahore. Lahore is starting with a capital L. Okay, Lahore. A country, which country is Pakistan? Yes. Now you have to fill this form by yourself with the help of your parents, and also you have given a paragraph. Now try to fill this paragraph. My name is with your name. My teacher's name is your teacher's name. I am in class, your class, and I go to your school. I live in your city. I am good at. What are you good at? You are good at playing. You are good at reading. You are good at writing. What kind you can do better? You have to fill this form, and this form you have. Okay, now you have focus the capital letters. Like I told you, Islamabad start with capital I. Karachi start with capital K. Lahore start with capital L. Now I have shown you the map of Pakistan. You have so many knowledge about cities, Pakistan, provinces. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay safe.